detailed steps that add up to big performance and value. We're at Skip White Performance talking about their own line of aluminum cylinder heads.
We've sold over 5,000 sets of the NKB cylinder heads. We've had 0 failures. They have excellent flow numbers. We use excellent hardware in them, and we have a very special assembly procedure.
The numbers don't lie, and neither do all of the dyno tests. NKB small block heads and the Bravo big block heads are awesome. That's why Skip makes sure the shelves are packed to the ceiling with hundreds of these high-strength alloy cylinder heads, all tempered to T6 standards. And the more heads Skip buys, the better the price, and those savings are passed along to you. When an order comes in, the heads are carefully inspected for any flaws in and on the deck, as well as the valve jobs. Next,
on every valve guide, we use a flex hone, and we follow up with an AR brush. A lot of people don't do that.
This hone establishes perfect clearance, and the added semi-crosshatch finish helps with oil retention. From there, it's time to load up the heads into an industrial strength washer for a serious cleaning. 24 super jets get into every nook and cranny. High-powered magnets attract the debris, and a custom skimming system finishes it off.
We're really fanatics about making sure things are clean, and it's got to be that way. Like I said, a grain of sand will kill an engine. 1 grain.
Once things cool down and everything is dry, it's time to assemble the heads exactly to the customer's specs.
Depending on their cam, whatever they're using, whether it be hydraulic roller, flat tack, solid roller, we'll critique these things to customize for whatever they're using.
But building a quality head is more than just having the know-how. You've got to have the right hardware to get the performance and the reliability you need, like PVM racing valves, comp cam springs, retainers, ID locators, and comp cam 10-degree super valve locks. Unlike most shops, before installing the valves, Skip's team uses a heavy coat of engine assembly lube to the valve stems. This coating is essential to protect the bronze guides from galding on initial startup. Now it's time to set the spring pressure most suitable for street rod use. And then this little gadget lets them check the spring height perfectly. Again, this is something a lot of shops just don't do.
We have the best team here at Skip White Performance, and we have the best equipment to do your job properly. And when you put the best team and best equipment together, the results are outstanding.
It's also important to note here that these springs allow for a near-perfect seat-to-nose ratio. Once all the hardware is assembled and dialed in for your ride, everything is packaged carefully here at their huge warehouse in Kingsport, Tennessee, and shipped right to your door. Within no time, you'll be back on the road laying down some serious rubber with your new NKB or Bravo heads. The best flowing and best quality SBC aluminum heads on the market for the money. Skip White Performance, the best street rod engines on the road and track, the best price and value. Give the team a call or visit skipwhiteperformance.com.